Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 INFINITI QX80 all-wheel drive. This one's black. Under the hood is a 5.6 V8 pushing out 400 horsepower and 413 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 20-inch split 6-spoke aluminum alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black leather interior. Sunroof. In back we have third row seating. Coming along back we've got a power liftgate. A set of clean floor mats. Fold down rear third row seats. In back we've got rear climate controls. This one also does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Got a keyless entry, nice wood trim, power windows, power seats, wood trim steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, garage door openers, a surround view backup camera with sensors, navigation, radio, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Infiniti has 65,276 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Infiniti, check out feldmannimports.com.